Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely top of the range Mercedes A-Class. It's the AMG Premium Plus. As you can see, it's in beautiful red. It's got front park distance control, upgraded facelift model. It's got the upgraded AMG diamond cut multi-spoke gloss black alloy wheels. Got privacy glass. Got the tilt slide electric sunroof, panoramic roof as you may call it. It's got the extra cunards down there, larger deeper rear spoiler with twin exhausts, AMG emblems. Really is in lovely condition, well looked after. That's just a bit of polish down there that's rubbing off. It's in lovely condition. Inside the car, boot area is in lovely condition, rear parcel shelf. It's got the full lovely AMG interior, half leather suede red stitch piping. It's got electric windows all round, electric mirrors, again no wear on the seats, lovely panoramic roof view. It's got satellite navigation. It's only done 406 miles. Multifunction steering wheel, auto headlights, cruise control, 6-speed. Start the car up. And then you've got the reverse camera there as well, and we've got climate control. Bluetooth media pack. It's in absolutely lovely condition. Radio, let's have a quick look. Lovely radio system. There's no wear on it. Like I say, seats are in lovely condition. Sunroof works lovely. Tilt and slide. Very price range car. At DJH. We offer full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.